Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous Prada to show you today. So this is a Prada tote in the colour caramel. It's a really lovely kind of tactile, movable leather. And I really like the shape as well. I think it would make a gorgeous kind of work office bag. So we've got double top handles, and attached to those top handles we've got this little Prada cloche with that little plastic screen in it there. And then we also have a removable strap, which is also adjustable. You can see with that buckle there, we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, and it just attaches with those clips on the inside there, but I'll show you that a little bit more when I show you the size. And then along the bottom, we've got 4 base studs, and inside we've got these 2 main compartments, and they each have a zipped pocket. So we've got one zipped pocket here, and then we also have zipped pocket there as well. And then you can see we've got one central zipped pocket slash section in the middle there too. And there's just one more flat pocket in that back section, so little leather flat pocket there. The condition of this one, we've called the exterior good, and I'll show you why. There's just a bit of wear to these corners. So on each of those corners on the leather, you can see a little bit of wear and a little bit of rubbing, but it's not hugely noticeable. And then there's just a couple of little marks on the leather. So on the bottom, this is probably the most noticeable. You can see you've got a pen mark along the base there, and a couple of little marks as well. And then on the back, there's just a small little mark underneath that top handle. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. It's not too noticeable. But just a little dark mark just there on the leather. So that is why we call the exterior good. The interior and the hardware are in a beautiful condition. We've called them both very good. There's no particular signs of wear for me to show you. You can just tell that it has had a previous life and that it's been used before. So that's why we've called that interior very good, as well as the hardware. There's just kind of hairline scratching and things like that on it. And a little bit of wear to those base studs. So that is why I've called the hardware very good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Prada envelope. So a little purple Prada envelope, and inside there we've got the product tag, as well as the care card. We have the authenticity card as well. And then we also have another little Prada envelope. So it's kind of just a little Prada card sleeve, and that's got the Prada invoice in it as well. So I'll just open it up and show you in there, and then there's the original receipt. And then we also have the Prada dust bag too, to keep it protected in storage. So that is what it comes with. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic products page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you really love it, you've seen it here and you get to our website and it's not there anymore, what you can do is just get in contact with us, tell us that you love it, and we will put you on our request list. And that means as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and we can have it with that strap, so you can pop it on your shoulder like that, or if you're going for a little bit more of a practical on-the-go look, you can pop it crossbody as well, and then you've got really nice easy access into your bag too, which is really nice. Or if you wanted to pop off those handles completely, they just unclip. So you just pop that strap off with the little clip and it just slides through there like that, and then you can just have it with those top handles, which looks really gorgeous, and you can pop it on your arm and show it off a little bit. And I think it would make a really lovely, again, kind of work office bag, just lovely, smart, and a really beautiful colour as well. So if you are interested, don't forget to go to the link in the description below and sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the how to sell with us page while you're on there. If you're interested in selling any of your bags, All the details of the process about selling with us are on that page, so have a read through there. Don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.